Hi, I'm Michael Perry, QVC gardening expert, and you're here in my apartment, and I'm going to give you a little bit of a houseplant tour. So let's look first at this side of the room. Now, I've surrounded my TV with these big containers. These are like troughs that you would use outside, but I'm using them indoors with a range of mixed houseplants. Now look at this. So I've multi-planted in the same way that it would outdoors. And actually, I don't like having too many small houseplants because they dry out very quickly. Larger containers actually hold moisture for so much longer. In here, I've got a few cool plants, few experiments as well. Oleander, usually an outdoor plant. I'm seeing how that performs as an indoor plant. I like the kind of tree effect of it. I love things that look like trees indoors. That is also why I've got the weeping fig here. This is such a gorgeous shape, lovely kind of ethereal shape, and it really looks like a touch of the outdoors. Palms as well, yuccas too. I always love having a coffee table covered in different plants as well. So here I've got some real flowers and some faux flowers. I've always got about 3 vases of flowers in my house at any one time. A few terrariums, I've been building some recently. Look, little garden in a bottle. How cool is that? Really, really easy to care for. You only spritz them with water once a week as well. Now, what else have we got? This, I love this. This is an iris that I painted on a stone for my grandma when I was at school. Iris, still to this day, is one of my favorite flowers as well. And that's me, I made that. Yeah, and I even wrote iris at the side. Should have signed my own name actually, that would have been better, wouldn't it? But yeah, so pretty cool, it's really special for me. Also, Gypsophila. Love having a bit of Gypsophila here and there too. Venus flytrap as well. This is for shooting videos. Did you know a Venus flytrap can actually count as well as eat insects too? Give you a demo sometimes, but they're tiny little hairs in there which actually respond to touch as well. So I love to have plants here that I can experiment with and use in different ways and make cool videos too. So little tiny succulents all around. Oh, some flowers I made from paper as well, from a little kit. I'm not very good at crafts, so I think my fingers are too big, but so that is there. Also succulent coasters. Don't look over there, there's a monstera with a problem, so turn away from that plant. But there is a nice rare one there, Thai constellation. Really proud of that one. I'm gonna show you over here actually, something you might not expect. There's a pond. Now, I had this like planting box that doesn't have any drainage, and I was like, what can I do with this? Oh, I'll make it into a pond. So you can see here, I've got floating plants, there's oxygenating plants in the base as well, and that means that it has a good contained ecosystem as well, so you never get any problems. Lovely equisetum, lovely prehistoric plant, really cool things. So I'm really proud of my pond there. Also a few special plants on my table too, some real lava rock from Iceland. Might put a plant on that at some point, maybe a little orchid, like a little bit of plant craft as well. New begonia, this has just been released by the young people in horticulture. They've actually named this plant and put together the marketing program for that as well. So that is very exciting, an indoor-outdoor begonia. Poinsettia, I love a poinsettia. It is a poinsettia that can go down to cooler temperatures, so much easier to transport. It's not as panicky as well. You can also have it outside until it goes below 4 degrees. Lovely monkey mask, monstera as well. Some new fragrant cyclamen, double-flowered cyclamen. These last for 100 days as well. I also love growing hyacinth in a glass. Used to do that with my grandma when I was a kid too. So a few more big plants too. So you've got Ficus lyrata, Ficus robusta, so that is your classic rubber plant there. We've also got the Sansevieria too, mother-in-law's tongue, said to be one of the best air purifying plants around. So yeah, that gives you a little bit of a tour of my very small space, but I've got surrounded by plants, but I've kind of made life easy for myself by having these bigger containers, bigger specimen plants as well. And you might think this is high maintenance, takes me so long to water, but honestly, it really doesn't. I have a reminder on my phone once a week. I just go around with a very big watering can and just water what needs it, and it really is so simple. So I hope you've enjoyed my little tour of my houseplant apartment here in London, and yeah, follow me for more advice and tips whenever you like.